Hello. Hi everyone. Good evening. So many people. Nice. Infinite, Ishan, Dark, Rajit. Nice to see all of you. Awesome. So how are you all? कैसे चल रही है आपकी preparation? Is everything good? Great, great. So today we are going to have a Menti quiz from science and especially for the physics. Hi Soham, good evening. Hi Reena Rani, good evening. Nirali Mishra, hi Nirali. Hi Spotify. I am doing great. Alright, so this is a code. Go to mentimeter.com and type this code, enter this code. Everyone, hi Sarah, good evening. Go to mentimeter.com and log in using this code. Everyone. Or else you can just scan on your mobile, just scan this code and start. Let me know if you have done. Good evening, Gulshan, Infinite, Ishan. Good morning. Where are you, Ishan? Ishan is in US. Sometimes even I get confused when it is good morning, when it is good evening. Alright, done everyone. Go to mentimeter.com and enter this code, or else scan this code using your camera and start. Let's begin. Is it done? So on every slide there is a code. On the top of the slide we have the code, okay? So let's begin. Are you excited? Are you ready everyone? Ready and excited? Alright, let's begin. So now the first question, ready for the question, is on your screen. Let's start it. Enter the countdown. 1, 2, 3 and start giving your answers. So this is the first question. So let me know if you need more time, and do not post your answers in the chat. I want everyone to write their answer in the, wait for 5 minutes. Why? Himavarshini, Gulshan, I've started already. Just begin, just start. Go to the mentimeter.com. There is a mentimeter.com. Use this code and start. Everyone. Okay, do you need more time? Okay, already answer is out. Let's see. Let's see who is the topper right now. Let's see. Can we see? Awesome. So this is a leaderboard. Saint Ilmo, Boti Mac, Boatface, Sebastian, Vroom, Magical Rhino, Snuggles, Pingu, Kathy, Lola and Homer. Alright, nice everyone. Congrats. Yes, let's discuss the question now. So what is the question? 9 of you gave it correct. Awesome. Great, great start. So what happens to the speed of light? What happens to the speed of light when light ray enters from optically rarer medium to the optically denser medium? So for example, there is a optically rarer medium and there is optically denser medium. So do you remember what happens? This is the, let's say, incident ray. If it is a denser, it will bend towards the normal. You remember this? Optically rarer and optically denser. So what is the question? What happens to the speed of light? So do you remember the formula for the refractive index? So N, we know, is equal to C by V. Correct? So what is V? V is C divided by N. C is the speed of light in vacuum, which is constant, which is fixed. How about N? For the rarer medium, it will have small n, smaller refractive index. For the denser medium, it will have larger refractive index. Correct? So when the ray go from rarer to denser medium, what will happen? The numerator is fixed, but the denominator will increase. Denominator will increase, and because of that, the speed will decrease. There is an inverse relationship. Can you see? Velocity is inversely proportional to the refractive index, as a c, which is the speed of light in vacuum, is constant. So the correct answer is decrease. Nice, so many of you got it correct. Okay, your name is Subranil Farish. Okay, Himarshini. All right, I guessed you missed the first question, Gaming Beast. Okay, no worries. Ujjwal Sen, Zeus, Farish. All right, no worries. If you missed the first question, you can start and catch up from the, yes, join everyone. Go to the mentimeter.com, use this code and log in. Let's begin. It's okay, even if you miss the first question, it's okay. You can still catch up. So let's begin. Let's go to the next question. There's a leaderboard and let's see. So are you ready for the second question? Let's begin. Enter. And your time start now. I want all of you get the maximum marks. Same, you missed the first. No worries, Farish. Start from the second question and I'm sure you will be able to solve. You will be able to come to the top. Let's see. Don't write answer in the chat. If you write answer in the chat, you won't get the points. If you go to the Mentimeter and log in using this code, you will get the points. So you will come on the leaderboard. If you put the answer in the chat, you will not come on the leaderboard. Hi Subranil, good evening. Okay. Alright, nice. 15 of you got it correct. You guys are prepared. Awesome. So you want to see the leaderboard first? Let's see who is there. So I'm excited to see who is there. So Darsha, Magical Rhino, Infinite, Gulshan. Thanks sir for working hard. Okay. Arman, Iran, Mikhail, Sarah and Frosty. Nice, nice. Great. 12th rank. No worries. It's okay. You can still catch up. Okay. So let's understand this question. A current carrying wire produces which field? So there is a wire and the current is passing through it. You remember right hand thumb rule? If let's say there is a conductor, current is passing through it, you hold it in your right hand. So the fingers which are curling around, they will tell you the direction of magnetic field. So whenever there is a current, it will produce magnetic field. It will not produce electric field. What will produce electric field? The charges. If there is a single charge, isolated charge, then it will produce the electric field. If they are moving, so overall our conductors, for example copper wire is a neutral, right? There are equal number of protons and equal number of electrons. So overall it is neutral, so there is no electric field. And gravity is due to mass. Mass of these electrons, protons is very less. So it does not produce the significant amount of gravitational field. Oh, you are Darsha. Nice, Anurag. Great. Awesome, awesome. Great, everyone. Let's go to the next question. I'm sure you can catch up. Everyone, I want all of you to catch up fast. Let's do it. The next question is on your screen. Do it fast. So the questions are easy. They are not difficult. Not much calculation. But I want your speed. I want you to answer fast or quick. What happened? Nothing happened. Question is on your screen. 13 seconds left. Oh, you did wrong. No worries. It's okay, happens. So that's what, right? I want you to handle the pressure against the time. You will have that. Awesome, 13 of you got, okay, only 6 of you got it correct. It's easy, but you didn't convert. That's what will happen in your exams, in your board exam. There is a time which is clock, which is ticking, tick, 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 tick. You'll get so much mental pressure. You have to handle that, okay? These questions are not difficult, but when you write in your exams, you have to manage the pressure. So let's understand the question. If the focal length of a concave lens, you remember how the concave lens looks? Concave lens looks something like this. So the focal length for the concave lens is negative, which is minus 20 centimeter. So what is the focal length? Minus 20 centimeter. But first, is the centimeter SI unit? Hi, good evening. I am not able to pronounce your name. Amar, I can call you Amar. Nice. So you can convert this into meters, which is minus 0.2 meters. Meter is the SI unit. What is focal length? It is a length. So it is a distance. So the focal length is, SI unit is meters. Forgot to convert. Yes, I know. So you have to find the power of the lens. So we know power is equal to 1 by F, which is 1 divided by minus 0.2, and that will come out to be how much? That will come out to be minus 5.0. Minus 5.0. That would be the answer. Clear? Yeah, that's interesting. Great. So let's see. Easy question, right? Great, great. Akshat, if you feel the questions are easy, you try to be in the top. Come on the leaderboard. I want to see your name on the leaderboard. So let's see who is there on the leaderboard. So the leaderboard is here, and IIT Bombay, Gulshan, Sara, Subranil. What is this name? Okay, it's gone. So fastest is INF X Rian. Great. Indian Navy. Awesome. Easy breezy. Okay. Great, great. Your rank is 8. Nice, nice. Subranil. Great. So congrats everyone, whoever is on the leaderboard. Even if you are not on the leaderboard and you are able to understand or attempt the question in time, congrats to all of you. Okay? Okay, sorry, it's too far the screen. You will be in, okay, whatever, soon. All right, great. Let's begin to the next question. And the question is on your screen. Farish, Menti join karke. Okay, Akshat is calling you. Let's do it, everyone. Come on, do it fast. These are easy questions. Very straightforward. Just single formula, but you have to remember which formula to use. Easy? All right, great. Lemon squeezy. Easy peasy. Nice, nice. 3, 2, 1, and time's up. Awesome. 15 of you got it correct. Great, nice to see that. So let's read the question. So electric heater rated, so this is watt. Watt means it is a unit of power. What is power? 1200 watt. Okay. If the supply voltage is 400 volt, so the voltage is 400 volts. What must be the value of current? You have to find the current. Easy question, right? Just single formula. We know the power is equal to V into I. So I will be P divided by V. What is power? 1200. Voltage is 400. So it is 1200 divided by 400. That would be 3. And the SI unit of current is ampere. So it is 3 amperes. Awesome. So let's see who is on the leaderboard now. Easy, everyone? Yes, Farish, great. So let's see who is on the leaderboard. And Darsha, Riyan, Dark, Ansar, Shiokand, Farish, awesome. Farish is the fastest. Nice, nice. Great. Congrats everyone whoever got the correct answers. Congrats all. Yeah, all the names won't be visible, but if you have done it right, just be patient. Your name will come. All right. Let's go to the next. And the question is on your screen. ऐसे ही आ गया. सही है भाई. बढ़िया. Oh, I'm good teacher. Thank you so much. Love physics? Great. I was like that when I was at your age. Alright, this is a very easy question. Solve it. Fast. Okay, don't write the answer in the chat. That is not a good way. Let others also attempt the question. And time's is up. Great. So many of you got it correct. This is the same question we had like couple of weeks back. In the last 20, it was the same question. And almost most of you got it wrong. But now, most of you got it correct. That's really awesome. So what is the maximum resistance? So here we want to find out the maximum resistance. So there are two combinations, parallel and series. If you combine them in series, you'll get maximum resistance. If you combine in parallel, the resistance will be minimum. Okay. So now, using the three resistors, each of them is 1/3 ohms. So we have three resistors arranged in series. So something like this. So these three resistors arranged in series. So there is, let's say, R1 or simply R, right? All three of them is 1/3, R, R and R. So R series would be 3 times R. But what is value of R? It is 1/3. So it is 3 multiplied by 1/3, these many ohms. So that will be 1 ohm. Option D. Awesome. Okay. All right, everyone. So let's see who is on the leaderboard. And we have Mikhai, Ansar, Dark, Gulshan, Bombay, Riyan, Farish, Darsha, Hena. Nice. Congrats, everyone. And Mikhail, congrats for the fastest one. All right, let's go to the next question. And the next question is on your screen. Let's see. Oh, I take your name, Vishal Mishra. Okay. Welcome, Vishal. Okay, solve this, everyone. Let's see who can win this round. I took already, right? I see your chat. There is a delay. I think 15-20 seconds delay. So once you type, I can see the chat only after 20 seconds. Okay, everyone. Okay, solve this. Time's up. Nice. 24 of you got it correct. You guys really seems to be prepared for exam. You are new. All right. New subscriber. Hi, Soham. Great. Welcome. So, among which of the following is known as the ability of the eye? So, our eye is the ability of the eye lens. So, what happens? Sometimes the eye lens is very thin. Correct? Sometimes eye lens become thick. Right? When does this happen? If let's say the object is very far, so these are the incident rays, very far, object at infinity. So they will focus onto the retina, something like this. Is a retina. And if the object is nearby, so now you want to focus these rays onto the, again the retina is the same distance. Correct? So I can focus objects which are near and objects which are far at infinity. So eye has that power or that capability to focus all the objects on the retina, and that capability is called as accommodation. Okay, power of accommodation. So let's see who got it correct. I'm sure a lot of you, your name will come. Riyan, Bombay, Dar, Gulshan, Ansar, Mikhail, Farish, Drasha, Hena, Arman. So congrats everyone. Most of you got it correct. Welcome. Great. Next question is on your screen. And the question is, Soham Kukreja. Okay, hello Soham Kukreja. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पढ़ा दीजिए. अभी टाइम नहीं है पढ़ने का भाई, अभी टाइम है रिवाइज करने का. अभी ज़्यादा फोकस मत करो पढ़ने के ऊपर. वॉट एवर यू हैव लर्नड, जस्ट रिवाइज इट. इट इज टाइम टू रिवाइज and solve the sample question papers. Stream delay, yes, there is a, I told you right, there is a 15 or 20 second delay. It will always happen. Some technical issues, I don't understand much about this, so why there is a delay, but yeah. All right, Bombay, thanks, but yeah, you shouldn't say anything negative about anyone. आपको हिंदी आता है? या आई अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी, बट बहुत सारे बच्चे ऐसे हैं ना यहाँ पे जो कि साउथ से हैं. फॉर देम आई एम यूजिंग इंग्लिश. ओके, ऑलराइट. सो या लॉट ऑफ यू गॉट इट रॉन्ग. व्हाई? व्हाट हैपेंड? वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स? नो. ओके, सो लेट्स रीड द क्वेश्चन. The sky appears blue because, so you remember scattering of light? What happens in the scattering? So if this is a white light, it falls, it can fall onto the small particles. So let's suppose there are small particles and there are large particles. Okay, there are small particles, these are small, and which are small particles? The molecules, air molecules, air molecules, these are small particles. And what are the large particles? Large particle would be dust, it would be water droplet. See, there is a difference. Here we have written water droplet. There is not a water molecule. In ocean we consider water molecules because you cannot identify single water droplet, correct? In ocean or in sea it is the air, water molecules, but in air or in clouds we have the water droplets. So when the white light falls onto the large particle, what happens? All the colors, they scatter equally. Large particles, all the colors scatter equally. If it is a small particle like air molecules, then what will happen? The colors which have lower wavelength, for example blue, indigo, violet, they will be scattered the most. So we know Rayleigh scattering. Rayleigh scattering, it says the scattering is inversely proportional to lambda raised to 4. Lambda is the wavelength. If the wavelength is smaller, scattering would be larger, correct? So blue, indigo and violet, they scattered the most, and that is the reason sky appears blue. Okay, and blue color is most sensitive to our eyes. Indigo and violet, they are not that sensitive, so we do not see the sky as indigo and violet, we see it as a blue color. Clear everyone? Okay, let's see the leaderboard. Your name is Humble. Oh, Suman ma'am is Humble. Alright. You have a doubt? Okay, Farish, I'll try to take your doubt. Yeah, you're from Kerala, nice. Yeah, that's why, right? I'm trying English because there are some students who are not comfortable with Hindi. Okay, and the leaderboard is on your screen. Sarah, Rian, Mikhail and Subranil. Great. So there is a change in the leaderboard. Mikhail is the fastest, congrats. Okay, from UP, 10th rank, nice. Brain Sunil, awesome. Okay, the next question. Solve it fast. Comfortable with English? Great. God's own country. Yeah, that's Kerala. Awesome, awesome. Yeah, I want to go to Kerala, but too many lectures, I cannot go. Maybe after your exams, I'll plan something. Okay, solve it. And time's up. And again you forgot to convert. Option C is the correct. How many of you forgot to convert? I guess. So now current is 200 milliamperes. So the current is 200 milliamperes, that is 0.2 amperes. Okay, and it is going through the filament for 6 minutes. So time is 6 minutes. 6 minutes is how many seconds? 360 seconds. So second ampere, these are SI units. So now your answer is correct, nice. So you remember current is equal to charge divided by time. So charge is current into time. So what is current? Current is 0.2 ampere and time is 360 seconds. So current is 0.2 into 360. So these many coulombs. So 360 into 0.2 will be 72 coulombs, which is option number C. Awesome. Great. How the nature of core material used in the solenoid affect? Okay, so there is out of this thing, but I'll tell you what happens when you place some core, for example iron core, it attracts the magnetic field lines, and that is the reason it amplifies the magnetic field inside the solenoid, and it is so powerful. The magnetic field inside the solenoid would be amplified by almost 500 times. You'll learn that in 12th in more details. So if you want, check ferromagnetic materials. Where is Devika ma'am? Yeah, she will come maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. She will have Menti quiz. Okay, we are going to have Menti quiz throughout this week. So do attend all the Menti quiz. Okay, let's see the leaderboard now. And who is on the leaderboard? Mikhail, Bombay, Drasha, Subranil, Arman and Ram. Ram is the fastest. Awesome. Congrats everyone. How milliampere to ampere? Yes, divided by 1000. Correct. You know milliampere? So like 1 milliampere is just 1 divided by 1000 amperes. So 200 milliampere would be 200 divided by 1000, these many amperes, which will be 0.2 amperes. Okay. All right. Option C and D equal? No. There must be something confusing. They are not equal. Okay, if they are equal, I will go back and check. Daily Menti quiz, yes. Daily Menti quiz, 9 to 12. It's okay, Himvashni, no worries. Answer all the questions correctly. You will come in the leaderboard. Don't feel jealous. Why do you feel jealous? Okay. All right, everyone. Do it. Let's see. And oh, why? You remember what is air? So here it is asked about air. What is the refractive index of the air? It is almost 0. Almost 1, which is close to the vacuum. Refractive index of the vacuum is 1 point, it is exactly 0, 1.0000, right? And refractive index of the air is 1.0003, which is almost approximately equal to 1. Correct? So what happens when the light travels through the air? There is not much splitting. So the white light that comes from the sun, it does not split. When the white light split, if it goes through the prism, what is the refractive index of the prism or the glass? It is 1.5. So when the light goes through the prism, it splits. And why it splits? Because the different color have different speed. But in air, the refractive index is very close to 1, and that is the reason the light does not split, and that is the reason all the colors, they move with the same speed through the air, which is similar to vacuum only. Okay? Oh, you are in class 8, nice. Alright, so let's see who is on the leaderboard. So correct option is option number B. Only 5 of you got it correct. Let's see who is on the leaderboard. Riyan, Subranil and Ram, congrats. Okay, मैं फिर से एक बार हिंदी में बताता हूँ. So जब light vacuum से travel करती है तो because there is no splitting, light does not split or there is no dispersion in vacuum. Same, when the light travels through the air, there is no dispersion. You remember dispersion in prism? So when the light travels through air, no dispersion. So all the colors, they travel with the same speed. Alright, so Riyan, congrats for the fastest. Let's go to the next question. And the question is on your screen. Okay, and your name is Subranil, congrats. Okay. Shubhi's Creative World, Akshat Shukla, Amit. Alright. Ishan Tiwari. Hi Ishan. Ishan, I saw you in the class. Are you the same Ishan? You're from Stanford. Okay. Alright. So there is one more Ishan in my class. Oh, you're in class 6. Alright, great then. Okay, nice. 16 of you got it correct. Great. Congrats. So how much time can the sun be seen before the actual sunrise? Do you know what happens? What is this phenomena called as? It is called as atmospheric refraction. So there is a earth. So there is a blanket of atmosphere. Correct? Let's suppose our sun is at this location. This is called as horizon. Right? Let's suppose the sun is here. Sun is the actual position. And because the light coming from here bends. Correct? So sun will appear in the sky. So there is a apparent position. This is not the real position. So sun will appear in the morning sky 2 minutes earlier, and in the evening sky sun is already below the horizon, but because of the atmospheric refraction it will again appear in the sky. So the sunrise will happen 2 minutes early and sunset will be delayed by 2 minutes. Yes, atmospheric refraction, correct. So, sun will be seen before by 2 minutes. Congrats everyone. And let's see the leaderboard. So now I guess almost all of you got it correct. So Mikhail, Rian, IIT Bombay, Sara, Subramil, Ram, Dark, Farish and Hena. Congrats everyone. Okay, great. And the next question on your screen. Now, let's do it fast. Killer SM Gaming. Killer, I want you to give correct answers. Let's do it. Rajit Avasi, can't remember me. What happened? Back to 9th rank. Awesome, Himarshini. Super Tech. Where to write? You just have to click. Okay, go to this mentimeter.com. Go to this website. Who was this? Super Tech. And enter this code. Go to this website, enter the code, then you will get the questions. Naam ka kuch respect hai, right? All right. So now there is a recombination. You remember recombination? There are two prisms. One prism, so the light will split into 7 different colors. It will come out something like this, right? So now you have to place another prism and that would be like inverted, something like this. So when the light falls onto the second prism, it will get recombined. So there is a principle called as recombination. Okay, give hard question. Yeah, I'll give. So we are going to have Menti quiz. I wanted to check what is your preparation. So yes, definitely will come with lot of hard questions in the next Menti quiz. No worries. So the second prism or these two prism, they should not be horizontal, vertical or upright. They are inverted. You see, they are flipped with respect to each other. All right. So the leaderboard is it changed? Rian, Mikhail, IIT Bombay, Sara, Subramil, Ram, Dark, Farish, Hena and Kaushik. Awesome. Rian, congrats again. Nice. Indian Naval Force. Great. And next question on your screens. Board ke perspectives. Still a lot of you getting wrong answers, right? Akshat, why you are getting wrong answers? Some of you, I mean, not you specifically. Shravan, this is repeated. Okay, maybe. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this is repetition, correct. All right, there is repetition. So we'll skip this and let's see if you can get it correct. And see, still some of you got it wrong. This is a repeat question. Correct answer is gas molecules which are smaller in size. Gas molecules which are smaller in size, they will scatter the blue light the most, and that is the reason sky appears blue. There is a repetition. Still some of you got it wrong. That's very sad. Is there any change? Looks like no change. All right. Let's go to the next question. And question is on your screen. Check the question. Okay, looks like no repetition, right? Okay. You missed a question. Okay, no worries. Okay. कुछ महान बंदे हैं. Yeah, it's okay. If you're still finding it difficult, you need to prepare whatever time left. Be serious. Whatever time left. Maybe you have, I don't know. When is your first exam? I think 24th, right? English or some other language if you have. Do it seriously. Now it is time to be serious, okay? बहुत हंसी मजाक कर लिया, अब थोड़ा serious होते हैं. बस ये कुछ time, like this last month, whatever you do in this last month will be there forever with you. दैट मार्कशीट जो आएगा ना आपको 10th बोर्ड का, वो दैट विल बी विथ यू फॉर एवर. सो बी वेरी सीरियस. ओके, ऑलराइट. So 14 of you got it correct. Nice. So let's see the question. So there is a voltage or the potential difference which is 500 volts and the current is 0.2 ampere, 0.2 ampere. So we have to calculate the power. So power is V into I. That would be 500 into 0.2, which is 0.2, which will be 100 watt, which is our option number C. And still some of you got it wrong. How many? 4, 8, almost 30% got it wrong. Why? My marks, 10th mark, I mean, if you want my personal opinion, they are just good for you to get a admission in your junior college, but not that important. But it will be there with you, right? If you ask me what is my numbers. Okay, anyways, Riyan, Sarah, Dark, Farish, Hena and Drisha got it correct. Others, so sad. It was so easy question and still you couldn't do it. You should focus more. Okay, for the regarding 10th, yes, the marks are important because it will be there with you for forever. If anyone asks, if you ask me what was my marks, I'll say 92% because I got that. And that time they were not giving marks for free. I was like topper in the whole district, I guess, for the CBSE, whole district or some division of Maharashtra State Board. Alright, anyways, let's begin. Let's go to the next question. Okay, let's do it. Yes, without practice, even Kohli won't perform. That is correct. You need lots and lots of practice. Now it is not time to understand new concepts, but whatever you know, whatever you have learnt, do it properly. Do it very thoroughly. Okay. So now, let's see who can get it correct. A lot of you get confused with the directions. And let's see how many got it correct. Nice, great. So there is a straight intersecting linear. So the question is, there is a straight line or straight wire, the current is flowing through it, and the magnetic field lines, they will be around this, they will be in a concentric circles, correct? So circle is correct. They are not straight, they do not intersect, and they are not linear. Yes, great. So let's see. Okay, and how many of you got it correct? Almost all of you. Awesome, most of you, great. And there is a shift in the leaderboard. Awesome. Now last few questions. We are going fast. I want you to answer everything. Solve it. Aram se, what happened? One more Menti quiz you want? Okay, but next time I'll have a very difficult Menti quiz. Are you ready? Really difficult Menti quiz. You want? I'll prepare in the next class. Maybe after 2-3 days. Yesterday you have maths, right? Tomorrow maybe chemistry and bio. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow. डर लगता है? क्यों? Maths is very easy. Okay, nice. So which will help you to tell the direction of magnetic field? It's right hand thumb rule. We hold the conductor in your hand. So the current, if it is going up, so the thumb will tell you the direction of current, and the fingers which are curling around, they will tell you the direction of magnetic field. It is given by right hand thumb rule. Truly difficult. Okay, not that difficult, don't worry. And let's see the leaderboard. So who is on the leaderboard? Is there any change? And looks like no change. Ram got it wrong. Why? Okay, great. Rian, congrats for the fastest being. Solve it. Last 3 questions. Another quiz today. Okay, we'll have, I promise you, we'll have one more quiz. Not today because I'll have other lectures after this. But I promise you one more Menti quiz. Okay? Divyansh, Arya. Very easy question. Okay, let's see if you can all get the correct answers. Two, three, two, 1. Time's up. And nice. 15 of you got it correct. All right, great. So the electric current is parallel. Let's suppose there is a magnetic field and this is a current. If these two are parallel, you know the magnitude of the force depends on, so it is proportional, I would say, to angle theta, angle between the magnetic field and the current. If the angle is 0, force is going to be 0, force is minimum, force will be maximum if the angle between them is 90. Okay, so the correct answer is option 0 if they are parallel or anti-parallel. Great. Oh, you are Mikhail. Nice, great. And who is on the leaderboard? Mikhail, Rian, Sarah, Dark, Farish, Subranil and Hena. Congrats. Last 2 questions. If you want to be on the leaderboard, do it correctly. Last 2 questions. All right. 6th ranker. Nice, Himoashini. Great. Awesome. So now, okay, I'm sure a lot of you will get confused here and give the wrong answers. But let's see. No, you got it wrong, right? All right. Still some of you got it correct. Nice. Misclicked. Oh, so sad. So layer of atmosphere whose temperature is less than other layer. So there are, let's say, 2 regions. So there is a 2 layers. One layer is colder, for example, and one is hotter, right? So colder means denser, dense, and hot means it is not that dense. Okay, so what is opposite of dense? I don't know, less dense. So if it is denser, that means it would be optically denser. This would be optically rarer medium. Okay, so now the temperature is less than other layer. Temperature is less, that means it is colder. So it would be optically denser medium. All right, and let's see the leaderboard. So who is on the leaderboard? Mikhail, Rian, Farish, Drasha, Kaushik. Awesome. Great. And now let's go to the last question. No, it is correct. If it is optically, okay, there is a, okay, wait, let me start. If it is the colder medium, then it is optically denser. Cold means optically denser. Hot is optically rarer. Maybe misclicked, I don't know. Maybe some internet issues. Something can happen, right? Okay, the last question. Do it fast. Let's see who can get it correct this time. Oh, you mean you are wrong? Okay. All right, it's okay. It's okay. Try to focus. Try to understand. Last question, and let's see who can give it correct. Explain about IIT Bombay in one word. In one word. Prestigious, IIT Bombay is prestigious university. Alright, 4 ampere, you got it correct. And let's solve it fast. So the potential difference is 240. Potential difference is 240 volts. And the resistance is 60 ohms. So the current will be simply V by R, which is 240 divided by 60, which is going to be 4 amperes. That is correct. And let's see who is on the leaderboard. Next time, let's see who will get the maximum score in the next time. So who is on the top? It is Rian. Nice, congrats. Mikhail, congrats. Rian is the winner. Awesome, Rian. Congrats to you. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. You'll get for all the notes and all the updates. Do join this Telegram group. Bye bye everyone. Take care. See you again in the next class.